Hello everyone, this is Radhika from Studify Success, and today we are going to study about Harappan Civilization Part 2. Okay, first we will do a quick recap. We are done with the part 1. In part 1 what we have done is about the subsistence introduction, then subsistence strategy, which basically includes the food habits, then the agriculture technology, that from where what we get to know about the agriculture, then the irrigation technologies and the evidences of the same. Then follows the town planning, one of the most significant feature of Harappan civilization. In the town planning, there are citadel and lower town. First comes the citadel, then the part of it greater Bath, then lower town, and the most important and the world renowned drainage system of Harappan civilization. Till this, we are done, and now we will move forward in our part 2. And this means if you have not studied the previous parts, you can go to part 1 of the Indus Valley civilization, and the link of the same will be found in the description below. Now let's start the today's topic. First topic of today, part 2, is burials. Burials क्या होते हैं? Burials means जो आपका जमीन के अंदर पाई हुई चीजों को हम बेसिकली बरियल्स बोलते हैं, और इसमें मेनली जो आफ्टर लाइफ के लिए होता है ना, मेनली द पीपल हु आर dead and laid down. Aaj bhi you can find in many civilizations there are like people in Abrahamic faith, basically like Christianity and Islam. People bury the dead ones, and in other civilizations there are different things. Okay, so such practice was from the archaeological excavations. We can say that such things used to happen in Harappan civilization as well. You can see the picture below. This picture is found from the site of Harappan civilization. Here we can find a skeleton. Along with that, we can find a pottery. What is the relevance of keeping pottery? The relevance of keeping pottery herein says that Harappan people used to believe in the afterlife concept. Now, what is afterlife? Even today, especially in Hindu civilization, when a person in the family is dead, the food, clothes, and different thing for them is given to the priest so that it reaches them. Such things happen. You might have observed around you. Such thing was happening in the Harappan civilization. These pots may suggest that there were things inside them which were kept for the dead so that they can use in when they were buried. Okay, we have also found ornaments and jewelry near both men and women. इसका मतलब कि like not just the food but the jewelry thing, like proper life, like if we are living in the proper life, we have all the things. We need all the things. We need food, we need water, we need our clothes, we need our accessories. We need everything. So what happening in the Harappan civilization, and to be particular, three shell rings, jasper, and hundreds of micro beads are found near the male skull. Okay, this shows that even the males were using the ornaments properly, and they were living a proper life, showing the signs of civilization. Copper mirror, you can find the picture of copper mirror in your NCRT where the burial topics is given. There is a proper copper mirror, like the part which nowadays are of plastic is of copper, and there might be a mirror for that used to be seen by the people. Now the time of Harappan civilization and the Egyptian civilization is around the same time, and we have studied that in the Egyptian civilization there are pyramids which are even famous today. What are they? They are burials, and same happened here. This also tells us about the social economic condition of the time. Now how बरियल है, बरियल के साथ में चीजें रखी गई हैं. दिस शोज कि उस टाइम पर भी एक सोशल लाइफ हुआ करती थी जिसमें ये सब नॉर्म्स होते थे कि आप डेड को ले करोगे तो आप ये चीजें करोगे. नाउ इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन कैसे पता चलती थी? द लेवल ऑफ ज्वेलरी फाउंड अराउंड दैट शोज द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन of the time of the people of the person who is laid in the burial. Now One more thing, that there are different types of burials found in the Harappan civilization, and that shows the difference among the rich people and the poor people. Like the hollowed out space in the line bricks, which is written in the third line of the presentation. You can this one was used for rich people. So tells us about the social and economic life of the people. Then comes the artifacts. अब artifacts क्या होते हैं? Artifacts are the things around us. ओके, गेटिंग इट, कि क्या चीजें मिली है, जैसे आज हमारे पास में कैलेंडर रखा है और बुक्स रखी हैं, पेन्स रखे हैं, लाइक पेन्स हो गए, दीज विल बिकम आर्टिफैक्ट्स इफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन गोज डाउन एंड एक्सकेवेशन इज डन आफ्टर ईयर्स लेटर, दीज ऑलवेज विल बिकम आर्टिफैक्ट्स, चीजें, वस्तुएं जो हमें वहां से मिली है during the archaeological excavation. Now they are divided into two parts, utilitarian and luxurious. यूटिलिटेरियन माने जो डेली यूज की चीजें हैं विच आर फाउंड इन मेजर थिंग्स, लग्जूरियस माने जो लग्जरी के लिए यूज की जाती है. नाउ वी विल सी द डिफरेंस अमंग देम. फर्स्ट यूटिलिटेरियन डेली यूज में जो यूज की जाती है, आई हैव टोल्ड यू. देन लग्जूरियस, दे आर रेयर एंड दे आर कॉस्टली. रेयर है एंड कॉस्टली. अब देखो कोई भी लग्जूरियस चीज है, मोस्टली थिंग्स बिकम लग्जूरियस व्हेन दे आर कॉस्टली, बिकॉज इफ दे आर नॉट कॉस्टली एवरीवन विल यूज देम, so there is no point of luxury over there. Then second point is utilitarian artifacts are made up of ordinary material. Normal जो भी material मिल गया, they use it. But in the luxurious one, they are made up of non-local material. Okay, they are not using the वैसा वाला material, the local one. They are using something coming from the outside, and we will study about it later. Ki what kind of material used to be coming from the distant lands. Then it was also made from the complicated technology, luxurious products. Whereas utilitarian, anyone who has the basic skills can make it. Now, utilitarian products, utilitarian artifacts can be found across the civilization. If it is a small civilization, if it is a large, like settlement, like smaller settlements, like pottery हो गई, pottery ले लेते हैं सबसे simple. पॉटरी हो गई, तो पॉटरी जो है वो आपको कालीबंगा में भी मिल जाएगी, सिनौली में भी मिल जाएगी, राखीगढ़ी में भी मिल जाएगी, एंड बिग साइट्स लाइक हड़प्पा और मोहनजोदड़ो में भी मिल जाएगी. बट the luxurious artifacts you will only find in bigger settlements like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Then then the example, utilitarian में pottery हो गई, needles हो गई, flesh rubbers हो गए. Now what are flesh rubbers? Flesh rubbers are the scrubbers. We use scrubbers on our body na. In IVC, there in Indus Valley civilization, there used to be a stone, holes were made in it, and they were used as a scrubber. Then luxurious में fiancé pot. Fiancé is a kind of very special material. It is a mixture of many materials, and then it is being made. So that is a kind of luxurious artifacts. Then comes the seals, very 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 important part of Harappan civilization. How? See, हमारे पास ना this example is also given in the NCERT. For example, हम आज किसी को कुछ कोरियर करके भेज रहे हैं. We are doing the porter or something like that. हम क्या करेंगे? There is usually हम Amazon, simple example, हम Amazon से कोई product मंगाते हैं. It is written on the product that if it is open or the seal is open, don't accept it. Such thing used to happen in the Harappan civilization. There were packed things were written on them. They were packed, and if the seal is broken, it means someone has tampered it in between. And if there is not anything, then it is safe. It has come to your way. अब seals क्या होती थी? Stones वगैरह पे, stones पे हो गए, and at times on different kind of material, clay ले लिया, उसके ऊपर करके कुछ कुछ लिखा जाता था, कुछ लिखा गया, कुछ ड्रॉ किया गया. Means this is the way of communicating to the other people. There might have been something which we may not know that's happening. So seals are the most distinctive feature of the Harappan Valley civilization. Mostly they are square or rectangular tablets. You can see the two pictures which I have attached in this presentation, in this slide. They are all all rectangular or either square, because even if you see the paper, like documentation, when we, even today when we document something now, we make sure that it is either square or rectangle. For the projects or something like that, we might use the circular and different shapes, but in the professional thing, we always use this your square or rectangular shape. Now, what is there in the Harappan seals, that on the top of it there is the name of owner and his title. See, in this slide, in the right hand side slide, in below there are some motifs, but above something is written. We don't know what it is. It's most probably the name of the owner and the title of the owner. Then they are engraved with motifs and figures. See, motifs and figures. This one also, left side also, it is motifs and figures. This left side picture is taken from the NCRT. This is a seal found at Roper. You can look into your NCRT as well. And this I found in the National Museum. You can find it on the internet as well. Then these are very valuable source of information. How they are a very valuable source of information? Because we have not deciphered it yet. If we deciphered it, we will get to know many new things about Harappan civilization. But since it is not deciphered yet, we cannot tell ki they are what they are saying. But yes, we know for sure that they are saying something. Then facilitate long distance trade. I have told you ki in the bags they will send something and write something. If the seal is not tempered, this is okay. Then in this way they facilitate the long distance trade. Used as stamp and identify property. Now how will you identify that this is my thing and this is not my thing? Like today we have proper documentation. At that time of that point of time, there used to be seals for the identification of properties. It is a very significant feature. Next comes enigmatic script. Like I have mentioned you many times that the script of the Harappan civilization has not been deciphered yet. We don't know that what it says, but there has been attempts by the archaeologists. Like it is a proper study that about deciphering the study, but it is we are not been successful in it yet. There are large number of signs and symbols. They are not alphabetical in nature. बहुत जैसे आज हमारे पास है कि A to Z we have, but we know the first A comes then becomes. We have no such thing, and there is no evidence that which come first, which come later. We have not decided. These all problems will be solved if we decipher it. Then script is both pictorial and phonetic. Now see, how is script both phonetic and pictorial? Pictorial, you understand that it has pictures. It has pictures. See, this seal have a picture. This seal have a picture. This seal have a picture. But they are also phonetic. Phonetic means letters, something like letters. See, this is phonetic. This is phonetic. Okay. Then there are about 375 to 400 letters which have been used. Now the script, this seals were usually very short in nature, not very long. The highest number of alphabets or words or whatever they are, we don't know yet. They are 26 in number, these sign and symbols. Largest one has 26 in number, so basically they were small in nature. Script is written from right to left. We write English, we write Hindi. How we write? We write from left to right. Okay, we write from left to right in Hindi, in English, in many Indian, most of the Indian languages, we write from left to right. But when we consider script like Farsi, or script is Farsi and the word is Urdu, they write from right to left, right to left, right to left. How we can say that Harappan script is written from right to left? Because there is space left in the left side. Okay, जैसे हम पेज पे लिख रहे हैं, हम पूरा लाइन नहीं हुआ तो हम छोड़ देते ना मतलब जहां से स्टार्ट किया एंड किया फिर नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आ जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्पेस रह जाता है. इन हड़प्पन स्क्रिप्ट इट इज डन इन द अपोजिट साइड. ओके, नाउ we have find so many scripts and seals and things which have these enigmatic scripts. What this shows? This shows that there was a widespread literacy. Literacy was there among the people about their own script. We don't know what that script is, but for them this was the script and people were able to study that. Now come the weights. This picture in the with a black background in the left side is taken from your NCRT, and these are all weights and charts. This is taken from the National Museum. These are also weights and charts. Weights were mostly made up of stone से बने होते थे, and these were called chat. CHERT, chat they were usually called. इन पे कोई markings नहीं है, इन पे कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है. They might have something कि वो अपने आप कर लिया करते होंगे उस टाइम पे, बट देयर इज नो मार्किंग सो दैट वी कैन फाउंड व्हाट वाज देयर. दे आर मोस्टली cubical in nature. See, cubes. Sometimes they are also of some shapes like this, but mostly they are of cubical in nature. अब लोअर डिनोमिनेशन और हायर डिनोमिनेशन. लोअर डिनोमिनेशन जो है वो बाइनरी जो होते हैं, जैसे 1 2 3 4 10,000 11,000, दीज आर बाइनरी वर्ड्स. छोटी चीजों को जब मेजर करना होता था दे वर डन इन बाइनरीज. बड़ी चीजों को हायर डिनोमिनेशन इट वाज डन इन डेसिमल, इन पॉइंट्स इट वाज डन. ओके, स्मॉलर वेट्स वर यूज्ड फॉर वेइंग ज्वेलरी एंड बीड्स. बाइनरी होता था, छोटा होता था. आज भी हम ज्वेलरी को जब मेजर करते हैं इट इज डन इन ग्राम्स, and thus lower denomination was used for jewelry and beads. Big metal scale pans are also found over there for measuring. Then comes contact in the subcontinent. अभी हमने artifacts की बात पढ़ी थी कि non luxurious जो artifacts हैं they were using the non local technology. Now सबसे पहले फोटोग्राफी देख लेते हैं. This is the photograph. इस फोटोग्राफ में what is over there? There is a bullock cart, okay, carrying the things. What this shows? This shows कि उस टाइम पे bullock carts को यूज किया जा रहा था ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए. रोड, वाया रोड विद इन द सबकॉन्टिनेंट जो यूज हो रहा था. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी प्राइम एग्जाम्पल कि क्या हम यूज कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे. अब मैंने अलग अलग चीजें, इट इज मेंशन इन योर एनसीईआरटी, अलग अलग चीजें मेंशन की है. दैट शेल्स, शंख टाइप के जो होते हैं, दे वर फाइंड इन साइट्स लाइक नागेश्वर एंड बालाकोट से दे यूज टू कम. Carnelian, it is a type of kind of metal. It was bought from Lothal and Bharuch. Then comes the Seatite. It come from Rajasthan, and at some point in from the northern Gujarat. राजस्थान है, राजस्थान के हल्का सा नीचे गुजरात होता है, बिल्कुल नीचे गुजरात होता है, तो उसमें जो नॉर्दर्न गुजरात है वहां से भी आया करता था कॉपर. यूज टू कम फ्रॉम खेतरी. खेतरी इज रीजन इन राजस्थान में खेतरी रीजन है, वहां से आपका कॉपर आया करता था. देन कम्स द गोल्ड कम फ्रॉम द साउथ इंडिया. कर्नाटक में आज भी कोलर माइंस हैं, सो इट इज लिंक्ड कि वहां से ये आया करता था इन द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन एज वेल, दो देयर आर not so much evidences of the gold, but yes, gold was there in the Harappan civilization. Now comes the contact with the distant land. अब contact with the distant land मतलब जो सब कॉन्टिनेंट का पार्ट नहीं थी, पास जो नहीं थी, जो थोड़ा दूर थी. अब इसमें सबसे पहले आ जाओ नीचे वाले पॉइंट पे, डिपिक्शन ऑफ बोट एंड सील्स. क्योंकि बोट जो है वो सील्स के अंदर पाई गई है, इसका मतलब उस टाइम के लोगों को दे नो दैट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड बोट एग्जिस्टिंग in our nearby, and they might have used them for travel. Okay, lapis lazuli is a precious blue, blue stone, blue color का stone होता है, that is lapis lazuli. ये हमें अफगानिस्तान से हड़प्पन civilization में आया करता था. Now copper bought from Oman कॉपर जो है वो खेतरी रीजन से तो आता ही था. सी वी हैव स्टडीड दैट कॉपर केम फ्रॉम द खेतरी रीजन, बट कॉपर माइट हैव आल्सो कम फ्रॉम द ओमान. क्योंकि जब हमने केमिकल एनालिसिस किया, देन वी फाइंड दैट बोथ ओमान कॉपर एंड द हड़प्पन आर्टिफैक्ट्स दैट वर मेड ऑफ कॉपर हैव सम ट्रेसेस ऑफ निकल, सजेस्ट दैट दे हैव अ कॉमन ओरिजिन. एक हड़प्पन जार भी मिला है हमें ओमान में. ओमान के अंदर एक हड़प्पन जार मिला है, हड़प्पन स्क्रिप्ट में ही उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा गया है. इट इज ब्लैक कोटेड. अब हमें ये नहीं पता व्हाई इट इज ब्लैक कोटेड. माइट बी यूज्ड फॉर things like to bring the liquids and prevent them from percolation. We are not very sure, but the established fact is that Harappan jar is found in Oman. Then these 2 points, beads, golden monkey of Mesopotamian Harappan site and model pottery ring of Harappa found in Mesopotamia. These I have taken from the class 11th. Your NCRT only says that. जब हम मेसोपोटामियन ट्रेड के बारे में हमने क्लास 11th में पढ़ा था, तो उसमें हमने पढ़ा था कि बीड गोल्डन मोंकी, ये golden monkey is a Mesopotamian artifact. It is found in the Harappan site. How can it come to Harappan site if there was no contact? There must be some contact. Model ramp, pottery rings of Harappa, जो हड़प्पा का feature है, they are also found in the traces of it is also found in the Mesopotamia. What it suggests? It suggests that there was a contact with the distant land. Then Harappan text में there is a mention of Haja bird. Now what is Haja bird? It is probably peacock, and peacock is found in India. And Harappan civilization is also a part of India. Then there is a mention of Magan and Mehula and Magan. Now what is Magan? Magan is most probably Oman in the Mesopotamian text. So Oman was a place known to both Harappans and Mesopotamian, and there was contact between the three. Meluha is, if we literally translate it, it is land of seafarers. And land of seafarers, the one who travels by the sea. This is written in the Mesopotamian text, and this is also most probably referred to from as Harappan civilization. So we have studied both contact in the subcontinent and contact with the distant land.